channels and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Maria Becerra, first time here on this channel, and she released a couple songs, so we'll cover them here. So if you like her, stay tuned here. This time we have a song called Perreo Furioso, and yeah, we will have a 3-chord chord here. And pretty easy actually, no need for any capo, so let's go over the chords first. We have this A sharp sus chord, so we're gonna play this with a bar chord here on the 1st fret. That is 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then the rest will be 3rd on D, 3rd on G. So that is the A sharp chord. The next will be C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord will be D minor. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Alright, so what we have left is just the strumming pattern, and we're set for the song. So grab that A sharp chord, and one strum around will be down, up, clap, down. And that's a very common rhythm here for this kind of music. So like this, that is one round. So down, up, clap, down. Okay, so a couple rounds of this to get the idea of how it sounds. Goes like this. So we will play 2 rounds for A sharp, 2 rounds for C, and 4 rounds for D minor. And that's it. That goes round and round. So a couple rounds of it sounds like this. That's it, my friends. That pretty much covers Becerra's Perreo Furioso. So thank you for watching and play tuned.